Next year, Wales can vote for something we've never had before. For the first time, you can choose a different party to lead government in Wales. New leadership and a new hope. I'm Rhys Apiorwerth, leader of Plaid Cymru, the party that's focused on one thing and one thing only: building a better future for you and for Wales. I know many of you are frustrated, and so am I. For 25 years, Labour have been in charge. They've had every chance to fix the NHS, to create better jobs and support you and the place you live. But so often, you know you've been let down. When Labour got into power in UK government last year, they had the chance to fight for Wales at Westminster, but they didn't. They chose not to fight for a fairer funding formula for Wales, for the £4 billion owed to us for HS2 rail. They wouldn't give us power over our own natural resources and the Crown estate, allowing us to create better jobs and invest in our communities. All broken promises, and all things they used to agree with us on. I have no doubt that we can be better than this. Imagine a government that really makes you, your community in Wales, the priority always, with real ambition for our nation, fairness, prosperity. That's what it's all about for me, the future of Wales. I want to lead a government that finally gets to grips with the NHS, giving you the care you need when you need it. A government that will re-energise our economy, creating good jobs wherever you are. And a government that will never be afraid to fight for the powers and the money we need to level the playing field for Wales. That's what voting for Plaid Cymru offers you. New leadership, a new energy, a new direction, a fresh start. So next year, you have the power in your hands to make a difference. Now's not the time for a backward step or a sideways move. A vote for Plaid Cymru is a vote to move Wales forward. So if Labour haven't delivered for you, if you want a party that will always stand up for Wales and its people, and if you're ready for new leadership, come with Plaid Cymru and help us build a better Wales.